Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm heading down to Drakeholes to meet Jon of rough paddling fame. And we're doing a bit of a van camp tonight with a view to going out on the water at Drakeholes tomorrow. I've got a new paddle board to test. I'm also testing a different microphone, a wireless microphone with this camera. And that's currently sighted above my head. No idea what this is going to sound like. I'm hoping that when I'm doing travelling stuff, it'll pick up the voice a bit better. Anyway, enough of that waffle. Let's go! Bloody roadworks. What a lovely set of pylons. I'll give you all the best views. Just going through Bawtry. 7 minutes, 4.3 miles to go. I have to say, one of the things that's been a godsend on these trips lately, especially in this sort of like heat waves of 25 to 30 degrees, aircon. I am really loving the aircon. I've never really used it in a vehicle before. I've predominantly just used it in winter to demist the windscreen. Yeah, I'm going to start using it a lot more. It's great. Now, whereabouts is Jon? Oh, it doesn't look like he's here yet. Here he is, Mr. Rough Paddling himself. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Rubbish bag. Anyway, so we're at Drakeholes. The canal is just over there. That's where we're going out in the morning. Hello. And we've just been chilling under here. We've had a couple of beers and so on. It's about 7:30 now. Probably get something to eat in a bit. I've not done much recording of this afternoon because it's just been me and Jon catching up and having a bit of a chinwag. So yeah, what is a bit of a surprise is this. The pub just up there, the Mucky Duck, yeah, closed down. Because we were considering asking if we could stay in the pub car park, but the gates are closed. We've looked online, closed down. You can just see Drakeholes tunnel through there. It's lovely, it's a nice little area. I don't think we're going to have any problems here tonight. Hope not, anyway. A little bit breezy. You can probably tell that from the way the trees and stuff are moving. There we go, look at that. I was going to send the drone up and take a bit of aerial footage, but I might send the Atom up. Yep, yeah, we're just relaxing. It's nice. Into the pit of doom. Very dark. I've got 2 boats in there. Oh god, that's the thing, innit, tomorrow? Paddleboard day. I won't be doing much standing up on this paddleboard. I'm reviewing a paddleboard tomorrow that I've been sent to review. And yeah, because I've got this kind of shoulder issue, it's, you know, if you go on a paddleboard, you're going in. And I don't want to be kind of falling and undoing all the work that I've done to get my shoulder right. So I won't be doing much in the way of standing up. Anyway, that's what my kind of den looks like at the moment. But what I'll do is I'll get most of that stuff in the front seat. Oh, something else to show you. Look at that Temu fridge. So this is currently charging on solar. It's been up to 6%. It's up to 6% now input, but it was putting in more than it took out. So this has been running for a little while on the power station. Got this little fridge from Temu. Oh, look at that, I've got desserts in there. They're all nice and chilled. A couple of beers. It's not big, but, you know, get a few little bits and pieces in it. I'll shut that off camera. that, 8:15. Time to get some food on the go, whilst dropping everything else about in the process. Don't look at me policeman's truncheon. So options are a bit limited. Yeah, 2 things of noodles and a thing of pasta in there. Beans and sausages, that's probably going to be more for breakfast. So it's looking, I just came with whatever cans were in my food bag. I think those 2 together. Cheesy pasta, chicken in white sauce. Yeah, that'll do. Never done this before. Ooh, pretty. Got a bit of a simmer on. Turn that down a tad, I think. I think we're about ready. That's looking about ready. Pasta looks as soft as John's knob. We're good. Let's look into the dark kitchen.
Welcome to Hell's
Doom.
Welcome to Hell's Kitchen.
Hell's Kitchen. Ooh, it smells good. Have you put extra rice in that?
Yeah, it didn't come with rice at all.
Right, okay.
I put some golden veg.
Golden veg rice.
Look at that, yeah.
Classy. Well, yeah, it smells edible. Almost.
The taste test will be later.
Yeah.
See if it actually is
The
edible.
proof of the pudding is in the golden rice. Anyway, let's get this down my neck. Seem to recall one of my girlfriends saying that.
I was going to make some for myself.
Heathen, eating out the pan. Saves washing up. What was that?
My arse.
Oh, nice. John's enjoyed his curry.
Lovely.
Right, I've got some desserts in here. Look at this, posh panna cottas. Yeah, one for me and one for Ruff. Have you still got? Do you need beer again? Alcohol free?
Either. I'm due one.
You due on?
Thank you. Cheers.
So, Beavertown Laser Crush alcohol free IPA. I've had 2 of these out of the box before. They're all right. Cheers. There you go, sir. Pudding.
Oh, thank you.
Pudding. They've got a little bit smushed.
Smush.
Because they've been upside down in fridge.
It's a thought that counts, isn't it?
Yeah. I thought they'd get smushed.
The big bag out.
You took them all out, all in one go, all the baby wipes.
Mind you, I think I've used the old flipping bag of them doing this one bit of washing up.
These are good. Filthy good. John and I have been talking bollocks all night. We had a couple of people come along, we've had a nice chat with some strangers. Anyway, we're settling down into our respective pits. Gonna go out early tomorrow for a bit of a paddle. I will see you in the morning. Pontoon dipper over there and the machine. A lot of the gang are here. We've got the machine inflating over there. There's Grandad and Pontoon Dipper over there. Coffee is being drunk at the moment. John's going out in the Gummatex Rush, and I'm going to be going out in what I've been sent here, the NiPhean Paddle Board. Right, let's get it inflated. I'm going to try it at 12.5. Oh. Well, I'm on. I've got the seat installed. So we've got Pontoon Dipper in his budget alpaca pack raft. Aquamarina Cascade, my old boat with Mikkel and Harley. Machines in a pack raft, and then John's at the back in a rush. Grandad's gone through the tunnel down there. He's gone through the tunnel. He's trying out my Aquatech Ottawa today, which is just on the bank over there. But he's just gone off in his rush. He wants to do a bit of a comparison between the two. So we're just pottering about for a bit, to be honest. So yeah, I'm trying out this NiPhean paddle board today. I'm doing a separate review for this. It's been sent to me to try out, and feels alright. It reminds me of when I had those. It feels very much like that. You look a bit unstable there, Michael.
I dog on the rattles.
I think he's going to end up getting toppled in. If he does, we'll get that on camera. But it's another lovely morning here at Drakeholes. The machine's trying out a Greenland paddle. He's not going to be travelling very far and very fast. Especially not in a pack raft and a Greenland paddle.
Have you seen that combination before?
Yeah, pack raft and a Greenland paddle. It's not the best combo. Not for speed and distance. The Grandad's back. He's tried his fun. You're going to try the Ottawa now?
I am, yeah.
Trying the Ottawa. Right, going to head into Drakeholes Tunnel. Been sent this head torch by Borrow It to review, so I'm going to try it out in there. Get some light on. I'm on. There we go, that's not bad. I can see works alright in this tunnel. So that's on the bright setting, that's low, then you've got red and then flashing red. But yeah, oh, I've just seen a bat. How far down will it actually kind of light the tunnel up? Pretty much all the way to the end. You can see the beam moving there as I move my head. Yeah, all right. You see that bat? Or is it a bird? Here we go, look. That's a bird. You turning around already?
I'm going to put the seat in there, I think. Try
Yeah.
it in the back.
Hello, Harley.
Try it in the back.
Yeah. John's just coming through the tunnel, but you can't see the black boat. Can't see him. Oh, there he is. No head torch, he's so irresponsible. Don't follow rough paddling.
Live life on the edge.
So I've been out on the water for a little while, about an hour actually, just testing this paddle board out. And it's alright, I'm quite enjoying it. It's a bit of a different experience. I mean, I am sat high above the water, which is not something I'm used to. I'm kind of more used to being in the water. But yeah, it's nice. The nice thing about this is it kind of reminds me of like when I had the Go Plus, the Spinera and the Cascade. They have that very stable feel. You know, you don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. And I've had this up in the speed run that I did for the review video, I've had this up to around 3.7, 3.8 miles an hour. Pretty good going. It moves nicely through the water. Morning.
Good morning.
All right.
Yes, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, grand, thank you.
Good. Sorry to disturb you, Pete.
You're fine. I've been paddling down the canal for a bit, and I'm going to turn around and go back in a minute because I've already passed all the boys. And yeah, I've just noticed that this tree's down here, or parts of it. I've been filming quite a bit for this paddleboard review that I'm doing today for this boat that I'm on, this little paddleboard that I'm on. Quite enjoying it, as I say, it's a different experience. Look at that, big tree down. Yeah, I'm going to use this as my turnaround point and poodle back, see what the chaps are up to. Oh, this water's lovely.
I was surprised to see how warm it was all the way down.
Rough paddling in the Gummertex Rush, the stealth boat.
Black paddle.
Ninja. Who's squeaking?
Me.
Pulled up a grim little lock for a bit of a breather. Jim's having a go in the rush. Right, I'm doing a bit of kneeling, because I've got a wind behind us on the way back. Dog fight on the bank. Tunnel of Doom coming into view. Tunnel of Doom. Did you see those birds in it earlier? No. Yeah, I thought it was bats at first. Right, I'm going to wrap this video up there. Just an excuse for John and I to go on a bit of a van camp before we went out the following morning, so we've had a bit of fun. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. You know what to do about liking, subscribing and all that jazz. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.